Damn. Let me give you a couple tips and tricks to save dollars that will net you free upgrades when you have a minor collision. Step 1, fraud. Don't mess with it. Your car gonna wreck, things happen, don't make it worse. These adjusters out there, they've seen everything. Leave your car as is, have your pictures, have your remote evidence. Do not try to make the damage worse. Step 2, stay out of the cookie cutter auto body shop network. Your insurance will force you to go to one of their in-network body shops. Don't. Just tell them you don't want to have a body shop give you an estimate. Tell them you would like to have an adjuster come review the vehicle, give you a proper estimate. This will take some back and forth. Trust me, it takes a while. They have people that go around and give adjustments. Regardless what they say, push back as much as you can. Step 3. Once again, we're following the note of step 2. We're trying to avoid these big body shops because those guys are volume guys. They're trying to get people in and out as fast as possible, increase their profit margin. Step 3 is trying to find a local mom and pop body shop that has the attention to detail and for sure will use proper parts. Adjusters are cool people, everybody people. They're not corporate people like a body shop will be, and body shops will nickel and dime everything. Be cool with the adjuster. Tell them you only want recycled OEM parts, or even depending on the company, tell them you want OEM parts only. Say no to aftermarket parts. Zero aftermarket parts. We're not getting any aftermarket parts for our car. Either go with LKQ is a recycler for OEM parts. Go with OEM panels. You can still get clips and stuff like this from the dealership. Now here's the best part. Here's where we're saving money to be able to afford you some free upgrades. 1. Make a list. Take that adjuster's estimate. Review it. Take a note if they have part numbers. Take a note if they have recycled part numbers. See who the recyclers are. Make a Google spreadsheet or a OneNote Excel spreadsheet. Put in the part numbers. Put in what you have from the adjuster. In my case, I had adjuster's part, which was the OEM part. This adjuster was pretty awesome. So I went there. I had all the part numbers, clips, fenders, hoods, everything. I put that in my spreadsheet and then I started Googling the best prices for you. The more you save, the more parts you could buy. And let me save you some Googling. In the Nissan world, there's a place in Georgia called Z1. They were bar none the cheapest place I could get my OEM parts for. Don't know what they do, but their public list price is way lower than Nissan's MSRP, and these are all new. I made my list, I gave them a call. They said this is awesome. They're ramping up their collision division. Nissan guys, hit up Z1 if you need replacement body parts. 2, DIY. Do what you can mechanically. Replace what you can mechanically. Replace some inner cracked parts, realign panels, realign gaps, fix what you can, replace mud guards, whatever, wherever the hit is. Do as much mechanical work, bolt on, bolt off work that you are comfortable with. Doing all this legwork will save you dollars for when you take your car for the final steps at the mom and pop body shop. Step. What is it with number 3? Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. Carbon fiber panels. Carbon fiber panels will save you a lot because you don't have to paint them, you don't have to prep them, you don't have materials. In your estimate, you'll see there's a lot of hours in there for paint and body. And you can save that by buying carbon fiber parts. You're using your labor to save man hours. We're replacing parts. We're upgrading with carbon fiber parts that may or may not want to paint, saving money on materials and paint, prep work and everything like that. So in closing, let me know what you think in the comments. Have you done this before? What are the ways you think you could save on a minor collision in order to buy free parts?